Hi, in this vlog, I'm going to tell you about what's in my RUTH'S rituals for April 2026. RUTH'S rituals is my monthly curated care package for your intuitive and spiritual well-being. It's products that I put together for you to try at a discounted price so you can find what really works for you. The theme for April is cleansing. As spring arrives, it's an opportune time to turn our attention to cleansing the energy in our living and workspaces. You may also be spring clearing, spring cleaning, decluttering. Those are good things to do as well, but cleansing is specific to shifting and changing the energy in our living and working spaces. The products in this month's RUTH'S rituals are, as always, the products that I use, and I use these to cleanse the energy in my home. It's also how I fragrance my home, and it nourishes and deepens my spiritual connection, because each time I do these, I have a little ritual that goes with them. It's a moment to say some words of gratitude, to be peaceful, to be in that state of grace and harmony and balance. And that's why these are important to me. So let me tell you what we have this month to support your cleansing of your home and workspaces. And I'm going to start with this beautiful little holder. You can't see, but underneath it has a little heart shape. And this little holder is great. As you can see, mine is well used because it holds a smudge stick, it can hold incense, and you can pop a candle in or a Palo Santo wood stick to burn as well. So you get this holder, and with it you also get a smudge stick, which is white sage. And sage is a herb that's known for cleansing energy. It's white sage with eucalyptus and ginger. So when I first saw this, I had to have it because of the eucalyptus and ginger, because sage on its own can be quite a strong smell, but this just takes the edge off it. And I love this. I use this one in the bedroom. I don't know why, but I tend to smudge in the bedroom more than anywhere else. I do also use incense in the bedroom. And you will get a packet of Satya incense of white sage and oud for positive energy. So if you had last month's package, you would have got the divine blessings. It's the same kind of package as that, but white sage and oud. And I tend to use this in living spaces, so living room, reception rooms. I have used sage in the kitchen as well. So you get those to help you cleanse your energy. You get the holder, the smudge stick, and the packet of incense sticks, and you get a Greenman rituals candle. So it looks like this. It comes in a box, in a cardboard box, so if you wanted to gift it you can. And you're going to get a sage and mintwood soy wax candle, and they have the wood wicks. This is woodland zest. This is one that I've had for a while now, and I burn this in my living room. So it's soy wax. So it's environmentally friendly, glass jar, cork lid. So what you have here is a collection of things that are sage-based that can help you cleanse the energy. And when you think about it, we spend a lot of time in our homes, and we may clean, we may declutter and put things away, but how much time do you spend to actually cleansing the energy? All these together are a value of £33.50, but for April, the 1st to the end of April, they're yours for £26. The pack comes together. And for the first 5 orders that I receive in April, there is a free gift of an aromatherapy mist, lemon verbena. So I use this a lot in my home. I use it in the bathroom, and I use it in the kitchen. I use it all around the house, really. These are £8.50, so that's a free gift for the first 5 orders, and this will last you months. They last a very long time. So that's RUTH'S rituals for this month. I hope you like it. If you've got any questions or want to know any more, then just get in touch and let me know. Take care. Bye.